everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the trending whispering Nun Horror photo, the perfect Halloween edit that looks straight out of a horror movie. And the best part, you can do this completely free using Gemini Nano Banana tool, the new instant AI image editor. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini and then just open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then log in with your Google account. And after that, just tap on create image to access Nano Banana, or you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. It's just the same way. And then next, just upload and select the photo that you want to transform. Make sure it's a clear shot of your face or your subject, and it has a good lighting that it will help the AI recognize features better. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next, let's type a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt or just tweak it however you want. The key is to describe lighting and then emotions and maybe background for the ultra realistic horror vibes. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it and then just hit generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. It's instantly realistic. The lighting and then expressions and then that creepy noon in the background. It's absolutely terrifying and super creepy. And honestly, it's perfect for your Halloween pose. And okay, that's how you can make the Whispering Noon horror photo using Gemini's Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you.